Hello, my name is Jensen Bean. I'm currently a student at Triple Ten, and I'm studying software engineering. And I just wanted to go over this, to make this video to go over the project that I've been working on recently. So this is my Around the US project. The goal of this project was to create a fully functioning website with user-added content and like intuitive UI. Um, so um, the way that I was able to accomplish that was by working with servers, APIs. You can see that the user has the ability to add any of these card elements. These are all user generated, and all of these cards are currently saved to the server. But you can see that if I were to add a card, I can go image, if I can image, and then I can come over here and copy the image address. Um, and you'll see that the card elements gets created just very nicely, like how it should. Um, and then once you refresh the page, the newest of the user added content gets placed down here at the bottom. You can see that if I were to like the card and then refresh, it remains liked. And if I delete the card, yes, and then refresh the page, it remains deleted. So um, that was one of the difficulties that I faced was working with APIs and learning how to incorporate code in the response from the API. So one thing that was actually very difficult for me was the like button. I could not figure out how to do it, and I was able to solve that problem by learning more about how to pass functions into classes. So you can see here that we have this is the API class, and we have the toggle card like and toggle card dislike right here. Um, it was kind of a long journey, but I was able to um, pass the handle like button into the card creation elements. And that has both the toggle dislike and the toggle like, and it takes the card like state, whether or not it's liked or not, into the parameters. So if it's liked, then it will toggle the dislike and then send that to the API. And then once the server returns a positive response, it will change um, the physical element to be disliked or liked accordingly. Um, so yeah, that was a difficult thing for me to implement. You can see that in the interest of intuitive user design, you can also open these cards, view the image, and you can click out, click the X, or you can click escape to close the cards. And then you'll see if I change my name to just Jensen B, the save will turn into saving until it receives a positive server response. Another difficult thing that I encountered was getting my code base up to industry standards. And that one I would not have been able to accomplish without the help of the tutors and the code reviewers that we have available to us through the program. They were extremely helpful. So the process would we follow the Figma designs along with a design document that just gives us everything like how it's supposed to be, and then we send it in to the reviewers, and they give us feedback through comments on the Git page or whatever. And their feedback was very helpful, but ultimately it came down to a lot of trial and error on my part to get it to where it was a it was suitable for um, passing inspection. So the tutor feedback was extremely important and helpful for me. Initially I had all of my code within the index.js file, and it was only after I started learning about classes and had various tutor feedback that I started implementing the components folder with all of our different classes here, right, set up right here. Um, and yeah, the project was extremely informative to work on. I learned a lot, and I'm grateful for doing it. Thank you for watching the video. The design is on GitHub, which will be linked in the README. And yeah, thank you so much.